got the cheapest rooftop tent off Amazon. We're struggling lifting it up. We're reviewing it inside and out to see if it's truly worth what it is. And honestly, it almost did kill me today too. So let's jump right into the video. We just got the cheapest rooftop tent off Amazon and we're gonna open it up right now. Check it out so that way you don't have to. And we kind of thought about it. How do you return something this big? Even though it does say it has a 30-day full refund policy. And hopefully we don't have to find out. Let's get into it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so somehow we gotta unhook this. It looks like we just need a flathead screwdriver and a hammer and we just pry this open. And then hopefully we could take this side off, lift it up, and then take the rooftop tent right out of it. Whew. All right.
Shut it down like a trunk getting closed and they ain't on this level, bro, you really not close. Even in the summer, told them that the show froze. Not talking about bass when I say I get low. I've been trying to get more, now I'm stacking my accounts. It's all going stupid, yeah, the numbers in the mouse. Heard I'm going quiet, so I turn it up loud. And they saying they ain't feel it, but they better feel it now.
Sarah just brought up a good idea. Don't buy one of these if you live in an apartment. I don't know what would happen. I don't know how you get it either. Okay. So hopefully this should just lift right up. All right. Let's see. I got the other side. Oh. Drop it. Drop it. Okay. And then you ready? Moment of truth. First time to see the rooftop tent. Whoa. Wow. She's big.
How are we gonna carry that?
Hey, we gotta sleep in it. Let me see how heavy it is. Oh yeah, that's nice and light. It's not. Okay. Alright, so kind of see the distance right here. What we're gonna do now is take this out. I have a little table set up in the backyard. Kind of see what it looks like. I wouldn't say this is heavier than the table that we carry. We have events, so there's a latch in the front. Okay. All right, one little dilemma. It is very heavy. Like, I'd probably say like 200 pounds heavy. So, I'll look it up and I'll put it up the exact weight that it is right there. It is super heavy, so we gotta figure out how we're gonna move this and get it on top of the rooftop. Because as you can tell, that is not that low. Okay, you're good. Let's get it. Okay. You want me to? What if I lift that up and put something underneath it? Okay, I'm starting to realize I might need to get help from Isaac or something to actually put this on the roof. Okay, you ready? Alright, hold on. I can't get underneath it now because of the angle that it's at. Whoa. This is tougher than it looks. Okay. Give us a second, we gotta rethink. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, return only on one. Okay. Flip. There you go. All right. Woo! It's up. It is up. Actually, that wasn't that bad, was it? Okay. Man, this thing's hot. All right. Finally, we got it up here. We're going to put it on the SUV in a few more days. Then we're going on a camping trip the weekend coming up. So we're going to leave the plastic wrap on it for now. We'll peel it off once it's actually on top of the SUV. So let's see what it looks like actually inside of it. You ready, babe? Come over here and help me a little bit. Are you ready? So I think it just goes down and unhook. And I think that's all it is to hook it. You guys ready? Just a little lift. Woo! All right, that would have fit in the garage. Okay. Then this bungee cord is what holds it all together. So when you close it back down, oh my gosh! Wow, you really gotta work for it. It's okay, but once you close it back down, you just stuff those in, boom, latch it. But let's check it out. Whee! Oh god damn it! Shit. Okay. It's so much fun. Okay, so we just need the little poles. Wow, everything looks so fresh and clean in here. You guys come take a look. Wow, okay. Okay, put your lightsaber down. These are the bags for the shoes. Those are right here. I'll put those aside. Apparently these shoe bags go and get hooked on to this little bar right down here. People say they never really truly fit, and yeah, they're not wrong. At least it's hard with one hand. Okay. Put those aside. All right, I'm gonna pass the camera to Sarah. Here you go, babe. Okay. What do we have in here? We have rails. These are the rooftop rails for on top of it. So you put like a kayak or something on it. This looks like a rain fly, if I'm not mistaken. This looks like, I honestly don't know. Oh, this, I believe, is the ladder. Yep, beautiful. Ladder comes with it, and it gets hooked right on there. You can see the little hooks on there. We'll show that off in a second. Just trying to take everything out. The ladder. Got a little box right here. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. See what's inside the box. Oh, maybe this is for the roof rack on top. Or you know what? This is probably the mounting for this thing in general. We need instructions. Cool. There's no instructions. Here it is. We got instructions. All right. Put the mounting brackets out. What else we got in here? I think these two poles are for the outside for the rain guard. So I think these go in here? No, these don't. Oh! I'm stupid. You guys here? You're still here with me? You guys still watching? This is for, oh, thanks. This is for the sunshade on the side, the awning. This is for the awning on the side of the rooftop tent. I forgot it came with an awning, and I would imagine that's what this is, the awning part of it. So, let me find the rods. There they are. This is what we need to open up the rain guard. All right, so here's the rods that I just talked about. Oh, let's see how this goes. I believe it goes like this. You have to shove it inside this hole right here. Come a little bit closer so you can see. Then you're gonna lift up this pole. Oh man. Oh gosh. Whew.
That seems sketchy.
Maybe
Is
not.
that for real?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure. Woo!
Ooh, watch your eyeballs. I don't like that.
Well, that's how it is.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Unless the hook goes at the bottom. No, that's right, babe. You just put it in here. Ah. I think that's why there's a bend in it. Put it in there. Gosh dang it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that is really sketchy though. But I'm guessing that's why there's two little holes, because if there was just one, the thing would just shoot right out. Ready? So just put it inside here. Yeah. And then lift it with me. Okay. There you go. You got it, babe. It's fine. Wait, we gotta hold the tarp though. There we go. Nice. Look at that, you guys. There we go. On the plus side, it'll be up a lot higher, so this shouldn't be at like your crotch zone, like it is like mine. Okay. And there it is. Whew. Okay. Shall we check out the inside? What I'm gonna do is zip it up just so you guys can see. This is with the mosquito net up only. Nice. And then you could of course zip it fully up with the rain guard up inside as well. Oh God, do you think this table can hold my weight?
Hold on.
Oh,
Hold on.
there we go, teamwork. Nice. How's that look? Pretty cool. You can see right inside, this is all insulated. Right where all the gray stuff is, that's insulation for the winter. And then you even have pockets as well for storage. This middle pocket actually right here is for an iPad. So you can put an iPad in there, have a little movie time, and you can still touch the screen, which is pretty cool.
Try the gray stuff. It's delicious.
Look at all this room you have though. A lot of small pockets, really beautiful, really easy to set up. I mean, that took us maybe a minute or two. First time ever. What's inside here? We have a bag full of stuff in here. This looks like the mountain brackets for the actual connection to the roof of the car. Cool.
Yeah, I like the pockets.
Yeah, it's nice. What do you think, baby?
Cool. Don't know how we're gonna get it up there, but I'm excited for when we can move it.
Not really sure if I talked that much about the numbers, but this rooftop tent, including shipping, because a lot of stuff charges about $200 per shipping, including shipping with this, which was free for the shipping, was just about $1,100 on Amazon. Super good deal. I'll link it down below so you can check it out. I believe there's a coupon code going on right now for $100 off. Definitely check it before it's gone. Again, I can't wait for us to fully test this out, fully go for a trip in it, go camping, try to see all the positive and negatives about it, and tell you guys all about it along the way. Thank you again for watching. All right, we're gonna see if Sarah can close this by herself. You ready? Just careful, it's on a tent, on the table.
Hold on.
Careful, don't fling yourself up. Is it a no? Just careful, just pull it with your arms. Careful.
Ready?
Yep. Careful. Okay, I'll do it. Careful. You gotta pull up the rubber band.
Oh, well, girl, you didn't tell me.
I forgot about that. Rubber band it. That way it doesn't get caught. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, this is tough. Alright. Oh my gosh. Whew. Tuck it all in. Whew. It's a lot easier to open this thing, I'll tell you that. Oh my gosh, you gotta still hold it down. Okay. Tuck this other side in. Oh, now it's coming back up. Okay. Oh, now I got this big ass cord. That nearly choked me out earlier. Come on.
So I definitely wouldn't be able to go camping by myself.
Yeah, it'd be a little tough. Alright. Make sure nothing's pinched. Oh. Thought I had a lookout on this side. There you go. And that's it. Whew. It's a lot easier to open than close. Alright. Let's see. Hey Fun Hard Shell Rooftop Tent. Let's see here. Trying to see. Oh, it tells us which way how to mount it. It says do not put it too forward on your car because of course aerodynamics is like rip it off. You want to be somewhere in the back or kind of in the middle. Okay, and obviously don't mount it at an angle. Okay, so those are the brackets that we talked about earlier, right there. Yeah, okay, it says make the opening in the back because I guess you don't want it in the front because the wind could pry it open, apparently. Okay. Whoa, oh, we got a sand tornado. How do I always see these in my videos? Look at it go. Ooh, it's twisting. All right, I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to install the luggage racks here on top of this model rooftop tent. You're gonna need the brackets. Should be 4 of them. Just take them out, put them aside. Comes with the mounting hardware as well. Put that aside. Nice. Obviously, the flat side of it is gonna be the side that gets mounted down. I'm looking. Oh, here it is. So then the bolts go right into there. Hopefully you guys can see that. The bolts go into there. And then the top of the rack goes like this. Right on there. Perfect. Great. I'll try to make this as long as we can. That way we can fit as much as we can. Cool. All right, I got those nuts in just like I was talking about. Then what you're going to do is line them up to the bracket. You put the bolt in, and then you're going to spin it to hold down that nut. Yep, hold that nut down, ladies. And then we'll put this one in, line it up, and we'll probably have it all the way here at the end, so that way we could put like, I don't know, a kayak or maybe paddle boats on top. Paddle boats? I don't know why I said that. Paddle boards. D-bolts and nuts. What you're gonna do is grab the crossbar, put it inside your bolts, and then put your nut underneath it. So just grab that crossbar if you don't mind passing it to me. Line it up here, right to the holes. You put that bolt in that I was just talking about. Ah, should move my crossbar. Oh, now I lost my hole. Oh gosh. There it is. Okay, got my holes back. There we go. Boom. Boom. And then you put your nuts underneath it. So they don't come with the tools, so you gotta get some type of pliers or something to hold the nut in place while you screw it in like I did. Alright, and there are the luggage carriers. Okay. Now let me just throw on this. I really hope those bolts are... Oh no! Just short. I think we could back up the car and kind of lift it up. Honestly, I think that'll probably be what we do. Okay. Are you sure? You don't want to just drop it and like bring that up just a tad? That was extremely hard to do because I had to stand up on the table.